Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install SimpleCV library on Python Windows 10. SimpleCV is an open source framework for computer vision. Okay, this is used to build computer vision applications. It is open source, that is, it is free to install. So to install any package, library or framework on Python, we need pip. At first we will install Python and pip, then we will install this framework. So let's begin. At first, let us download and install Python and pip the current version. Let's begin. At first, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in on Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. Whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the recent version will be visible. So we want for Windows. So I'll click on it. This is the current version, Python 3.10.2. Click on it. On clicking the download started, it's only 26 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see the exe file downloaded. Now I'll double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now herein you can see the setup started. At first, set the Python 3.10 to path. So you can straight away click on install now, but I'll go for the customized installation. Click on it. On clicking, you can see it will install documentation, pip as well as IDLE. So pip is basically used to install other Python packages. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. So we will see an example of Python in IDLE as well after installing. Rest keep as it is and click on next. Herein you can see advanced option. You can click on install for all users. After clicking, you can see the path has been set. It's under program files. Our Python will get saved here. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but I'll keep as it is. Click on install. Now the setup started. So guys, you can see the setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, we successfully installed Python and pip. Now let us install SimpleCV. Go to start, type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Type python space hyphen version and press enter. So this will verify our Python installation. Here it is. The current version we installed successfully. Now the same goes for pip space hyphen version. This will verify the installation of pip. Press enter. So here it is, we installed it successfully. So I told you that we need pip to install any package, library or framework on Python. So I'll be using pip to install SimpleCV. The command is really simple. Pip space install space SimpleCV. Press enter. You need an internet connection for this because this command will download the packages first from the source. After that it will install it. Press enter. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed SimpleCV. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the current Python as well as pip version. With that we also installed SimpleCV, which is used for building computer vision applications. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.